Happy Tuesday. My name is Michael Leeserman here with the Trial Guide's Tip of the Day. The date is May 12th, 2026. And our tip today comes from Rick Friedman's book, The Way of the Trial Lawyer, Beyond Technique. There's a difference between representing a company that knowingly marketed a defective product and representing the people hurt by that product. There's a difference between advocating for corporate values and advocating for human values. If we don't acknowledge and contemplate that difference, what do we as trial lawyers have to sustain us in the brutal arena of the courtroom? Ego? Money? Fame? Yeah. What are the underlying values? This is so important. What are we fighting for? This comes through in trial. For me, it's not focusing on winning. You're more likely to win by not focusing on winning. And why is that? Well, because if you're focused on winning at any cost, you're not credible. You're not actually focused on the truth and the things that, if you put yourself in the position of the jury, you would want from the lawyer, right? When I'm in trial, I am more interested in the truth and justice than I am winning. And because of that, I win often, but I'm always listening with curiosity and open. Never happened yet, right? Because we do our homework, we prepare well, but open to the possibility that there could be a witness who says, oh no, the light was red when your client went through it. I know the testimony's been green, but here's a video and it shows it. Now, of course, I'd be upset. Where's this video just come from? Why didn't we have it? Judge, we need to review it. But I'm not going to jump on the mistrial. I'm going to, and I'm certainly not in front of the jury going to get angry. I'm going to deal with that. I'm giving an extreme. Of course, that shouldn't happen in trial. But should it, that's how I'm going to respond. Oh, if there's something we didn't know that shows we're actually at fault, well, then we should dismiss this case. Oh, then we look at it. No, that wasn't, I think that's fabricated. Or why didn't we have that? We're going to exclude that. Whatever it is, again, I'm using an extreme example, but I'm there as the person interested in truth and justice, advocating for my client with these underlying values. Does that make some sense? And I hope I'm being clear. I think this is a great tip by Rick Friedman, that the values that we bring to the courtroom are communicated. The jury senses that. It's important for us to be in the courtroom with the moral authority, not condescending, but the moral authority and values that we represent. And that's different than what the corporate defendant is presenting. Let's take a deep breath together and be grateful to be alive. May we approach today's work with fresh eyes and an open mind. May we be willing to see things we haven't seen before and to learn things we don't yet know. May we bring a beginner's mind to even familiar tasks, discovering possibility in what seems routine. May we champion our clients' causes with fierce determination and genuine curiosity. Now, 3 sounds of the bell can open a space for what wants to emerge. With the bells, you can sit in stillness, you can have a prayer practice, or simply have the intention of receiving these sounds as a blessing in your day.